Hello friends! Today I'll show you how to make expressive art with natural materials. This exercise will help you feel more connected to nature and your surrounding and feel more grounded and understand what you emotionally need at this moment. You can go outside in nature and gather materials mindfully, respecting the environment, or you can choose to get things from the stores, which can include pine cones, pebbles, moss, cinnamon sticks, and shells. I picked up some things from outside my home and used what I already had at home. What you need are some natural materials, a box of paper or cardboard. I also included some felt and scissors, and you will need a glue. Before making art, invite mindfulness and gently place your attention on your breathing and your body. When you think of nature, what feelings or thoughts come to mind? Also, set an intention today to make art without judgment and instead enjoy the creative process. The prompt is to create a place of sanctuary where you can feel protected and nurtured. Nature has a way of giving us what we need to heal and feel nurtured. It really helps us to go outside, make that connection with nature, and fill our soul up and become more active and use our resources around us. I think that using natural materials also lets us release our perfectionistic tendencies because nature itself is imperfect and the materials that we have are imperfect. So it's a wonderful way to use imperfect materials to create imperfect art and embrace that. What is your favorite place in nature? Leave a comment below. When you are done with your artwork, you can use reflective writing as a way to go deeper into your creative process. So bring a journal and a pen and write down the answers for these reflective questions. What is this place like? Describe what kind of place you created. And what do you like about this place? What is it specifically about this place that you really enjoy and love? And last question, if you could guess what it is that you emotionally need at this moment by looking at this sanctuary, what would this need be? Thank you for following along with this self-art therapy practice. I think that the more we are connected to nature, the more we feel connected to ourselves, to others, and to the divine. If you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!